Dear friends, today I will try to solve the queries asked by some of my friends. Okay, and the question is based on chapter 9, that is the patent of edition, and chapter 9 consists of section 54, 55, and 56. Okay, so let us proceed with the query. The query is regarding section 54 subsection 2 given within quotes I have written the statement. The statement is revoke the patent for the improvement or modifications. Okay, and my friends' assumptions are that patent 2 is revoked and not the patent 1 or the main patent. And the second presumption is an independent patent for a dependent invention can be revoked and can be converted to a patent of edition. Correct or wrong? Okay. First of all, I would say that revocation of patent 1 or patent 2 both are possible. Okay, but it depends on the situations. So, as my friend has asked the question regarding section 54 subsection 2, his presumptions are correct. Okay, and I am very sorry for the confusion created during the last video. Okay, because I have cited it wrong because of taking another situation. Okay, that means patent 1 is can also be revoked in some situations, but these presumptions are also not wrong. Here, as per section 54 subsection 2, patent 2 is revoked and this is correct. So, both the presumptions are correct. First of all, I would say. Then I will go to explain. Okay. So, first of all, I will try to explain the gist of section 54 subsection 2. Okay. There are two inventions. One is invention 1, one is invention 2. And for both the inventions, the applicant is same. Applicant we say when the patent is not granted, the patent application is not granted, and when it is granted, we must term them as patentee. So here patentee, patent's name is John, and he is common for both the inventions. Okay, and invention 2 is an improved version of invention 1. Okay, so on request of the patentee, and I must say both of these inventions are applied for independent patents or independent patent applications were filed. Fine. Okay, and it is also we can also say that invention 1 we can take as the main patent, and invention 2 we can take the patent 2, take as the patent 2. So I can say here on request of the patentee, because the patent is same for both the inventions, at request of the patentee the controller revokes patent 2 by order and grant a patent of addition to the patentee. So we can say that invention 2 is granted as a patent of addition, and hence we also can say that this patent of addition gets added to patent 1. So for giving or for using a term as patent of addition, existence of the main patent is also necessary. Fine. So if some patent is pre-existing, then only another invention can be added to it, and it can be termed as patent of addition. Fine. So hence we can tell that patent 2 is the patent of addition. Okay. Okay, that's all. And so friends, I think that this confusion is clear, and the That's why actually the previous video that was creating some confusions, intentionally I have deleted that. So please go through this video, and if still you have any questions, please ask me in the comment box, and please share the video among your friends if you are finding it good, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.